How to fix no internet connection in CapCut Video Editor. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and also try browsing the web or using different other apps to confirm that your internet is working. The next step would be to restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can resolve connectivity issues. Now the next step would be to check app permissions. If you're on iOS, simply tap on Settings. And once you are here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find CapCut and then tap onto it. Now ensure that all relevant permissions are granted. Also ensure that the CapCut has necessary permissions to access the internet. Once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open App Store. Now once you are here in the search bar, search for CapCut. And once you search for it, in the blue button if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your CapCut application update to its latest version. Now once it is done, head back to your home screen and then open settings again. Once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. Then tap on iPhone storage. Now simply tap on CapCut. And once you are here, tap on Upload App. Now tap on Upload App again. Once it is done, make sure to reinstall the application again. Now after you're done, head back and check if the CapCut issue has been fixed or not. If not, long press CapCut, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. Once you have deleted CapCut from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store. In that way, you'll then be able to fix your issue. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.